In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to add Type to Siri to your iPhone control center. This enhances both convenience and privacy. It allows users to interact with Siri discreetly by typing instead of speaking, which is especially useful in quiet or noisy environments. To do this, simply head to your control center. You want to tap onto this plus icon. Select Add a Control. Head to the search bar and write Type to Siri. It's just right here. Tap on it and it will get added to your control center successfully. You can now customize to your preferred size. And by the way, to access this feature, you must have iOS 18.2 or later. Now if you tap onto this feature, the keyboard prompt will show up and you just have to inquire Siri about anything by just typing. Well, that's how easy it is to add Type to Siri to iPhone control center.